Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD90. In this video I'll show you how to deal with some problems we might see while using the dryer. Firstly, let's turn the dryer on, and sometimes we can see errors right here. Take a look at the instruction. Right here we've got the troubleshooting. F2 error means drain pump error, and the solution is contact the customer service. Then we've got F32, F33, F4, FC2 and low temperature. In case from F2 to FC2, we can only contact the customer service. In case of low temperature, we have to use dryer when the outside temperature is above 5 Celsius. Next, we've got some other problems like tumble dryer fails to operate, and we've got possible solutions. For example, check connection to the power supply, check the power supply, set a drying program and more. Again, we've got tumble dryer fails to operate and the display shows end. And the possible solutions: check if the program setting is appropriate, check if there's a laundry in the drum. Next, we've got the drying time is too long and the results are not satisfactory. And the solutions are: make sure that the program is set correctly, clean the filter screen, clean the evaporator, reduce the amount of laundry and many more. In the end, we can find last problem, which is remaining time on the display stops or skips. Solution: the automatic adjustment is a normal operation. And that's basically it about main problems we can occur. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.